Today we are with 31-year-old woman who is living alone. It's her day off. How does she spend her day? She told us her income and expenses too. And her hobby, which is quite amazing. Let's go find out with Ken. Hope you enjoy another lifestyle of Japanese. We are at Tachikawa City in Tokyo. It's 30 minutes by train from the central Tokyo. She has a day off today. Because she has so many things to do, she's quite busy on her day off too. She wakes up around the same time as weekdays. Let me introduce her to you. Her name is Akari. She's 31 years old. She works as a clothing salesperson. She just pierced her nose 2 days ago. Preparing for her breakfast. She's recently addicted to oatmeal. Akari arranges oatmeal into Japanese food. She puts some dried seaweed and put miso, one of the Japanese traditional ingredients, fermented food which is high in nutrition. Warms up in a microwave and put some tofu. Mix well and ready to eat. Cooking took only 3 minutes. Healthy yet easy is her cooking motto. After finishing her breakfast, it's time for her roommate's breakfast. Betta, a tropical fish. It does not need any machines to have tropical fish in the house. She usually has work from early morning to nighttime, so she does laundry on her day off. Cleans the room while doing laundry. She uses her time efficiently to finish all morning tasks. She used to be an air self-defense official. Efficiency in the use of time is what she has acquired while she was in the self-defense. While Akari is cleaning her room, let's go see around. 1 bedroom. Oh, there is a bed behind the sofa. She says sleeping in somewhere narrow makes her feel safe and comfortable. And the kitchen. Enough space to cook for herself. She likes it that bathroom and toilet are separated. The rent is 65,000 yen per month. With these facilities, I should say it is pretty reasonable in Tokyo. Well, it is a bit far to the station, so she takes bicycle when going to work. Her monthly salary is 200,000 yen. She saved little by little every month, and with her savings, she's going to Australia from next month for a year as working holiday. She prepares to go out. She likes body-conscious fashion. Akari puts perfect makeup on her day offs too. She has her makeup goods in this burrito. Akari loves finding makeups with great cost performance. And she likes her face to look quite sharp and strong after the makeup. Since it's raining today, she's not going too far but spends her day in neighborhood. She came to IKEA in her neighborhood. Famous interior mall, but she likes its restaurant. It's lunchtime. Cafe in IKEA is great cost-wise, and at the same time, she could enjoy the atmosphere of Sweden. After having lunch, it's time to study English. She needs to catch up with English before she goes to Australia next month. So she's studying whenever she has time. She came to a gym for a workout. To wear her favorite fashion in the best shape, she does not skip her training. She comes to gym every day off. Not only her body shape, but she keeps her physical strength from the self-defense officer period. After completing her training, fixed her makeup perfectly and going to another place. She's going to grocery shopping for her coming working days. She came to Gyomu Supa, Gyomu Supermarket. This is her all-time supermarket. This supermarket is basically for wholesale and has all kinds of food with great cost for restaurants. But anyone can shop. She saved her food expenses wisely. After coming back, Akari separates ingredients in small quantity, splits a big pack of meat into one meal quantity. Quite diligent. She cares about food additives too. Food wraps are also without any extra additives. She puts all vegetables into vinegar and make them into pickles. With vinegar, vegetables last longer with higher nutrition. Time for her some hobby. She likes to put makeup and post on Instagram. Well, her makeup looks like this. She likes to put makeup like drag queen. When she was at Lady Gaga's concert, she went in this makeup. And there was a queue to take a picture with Akari. Follow her now on Instagram for more. Drag queen trying to control the temperature of her bath. Hope you enjoy something you will not see in an ordinary life. Preparing for dinner. Akari loves noodles. Pasta. Her meals are basically with some kind of noodles. She does not measure the ingredients. No one knows how the meal will come out. But she's quite confident about her cooking. Putting an egg as a last touch. Today's main dish is something like carbonara. There is no fixed recipes. She just cooks with her intuition and inspiration. But her ex-boyfriends loved her dishes. Well, she does not have one at the moment though. She likes something hot, so she puts Tabasco as much as she likes on her meal. She's done with cleaning her dinner table. It's time for her to relax. She's watching horror movie on her iPad. Lady Gaga, Tabasco, and some horror movie. Akari seems to like stimulus things. Oops, she forgot to feed her fish. The name of the fish is Taiyaki-kun. The Instagram she posted today is being reacted quite well. After net surfing for a while, she fell asleep. She might be busier on her day off than her working days. Akari's fulfilling day off ends here.